Well, you know it's time to change your Mini Octopus when, yep, that works, that works, that works. Let's switch it around. Nope, that doesn't work, that doesn't work. Oh, so much for having the polarity protection. Obviously it's been jammed in enough times that this hole was made to comply with the wrong side. So these things are like $7 depending on where you buy them. But let's see how far out it is. Okay, a new one is 7.4, 7.5, 7.4. This one is 7.7, showing a bit of wear. Whoops. 7.6. 8.8. Lots of wear. So currently this one, well, so much for polarity protection. The other issue, of course, is that now, even if you have it in the right way, it's sloppy. Whereas that's fairly tight. This is sloppy, which means you're probably going to have increased resistance and heat. And that's actually kind of how I noticed it, since what we have is these plugged in like that, and that way we can charge everything. Actually, this goes on to the stove. It's got a socket, and that way we can actually charge our power banks, having them sit on the stove, or our phones, and they sit on the nice glass top, so that if something self-destructs, at least what they're self-destructing on can't burn. So let's take a look inside this. Let me just pause for a moment. Oh, there's another cute thing. I think the ground's a bit loose. Those are still good. I don't believe there's any easy way into this. Oh yeah, this thing is tight. It doesn't look like it's welded. Eventually I did get in. It's just a super tight fit, which is actually very good. There might have been a touch of glue in there, but it could also just be a straight pressure fit. Eventually I popped open the one corner, which you'll be seeing in a moment. Okay, finally got in. Let's just break this off. That way we can take a look at the connections. Yes, pretty straightforward. One bar going across there. Another one goes to this. Let's see if I can get it a bit more. Oh, there it goes. Come on, stay inside. Well, there's construction of it. So this part really didn't fail. It was just the plastic. Oh, that's pretty pretty cheaply put on there. It's just inserted and slightly bent over. That's done up a lot better with a couple rivets. And same for the other one. Yeah, not bad. Mass produced. But yeah, that's less than ideal. Just curious though. How magnetic are these? They aren't. Oops. Okay, let's just see. That's probably brass. Yeah, probably just brass. So good material and all that. That's a bit wonky there. Other than that, basically after probably about 20 years, the plastic wore out due to somebody jamming the thing in the wrong way. Well, have a good one. Bye.